Faiz Khan and we are here at Untitled or SOYA. What we're gonna learn today is a very special recipe which is a fusion of Oriental and Continental. We're gonna make a very nice chicken chili basil right now. Time for the chicken to go in. Just don't worry about your finger, just push it nice and in. Just roll the chicken into your marination and in. And these threads are made out of refined flours, which we coat our chicken with, are thin threads made out of refined flour. Now the deep frying part. When your chicken is nicely coated like this, you have to